Hi guys, just a quick video. One of my favourite channels, Suspect Sky, has put out a new video. There hasn't been one for a couple of years, so that's great, and welcome back guys. Now at the beginning of it, at about the 4:24 mark, one of the segments that they've included, well, pretty much most of the video, not all of it, but most of it has to do with the so-called drones over New Jersey in the US. But the first one here has to do with strange radio signals associated with these drones, it seemed, on a particular radio station, 106.7 FM in New Jersey. And when I listened to it, I thought, well, that just sounds like normal audio slowed down. So I sped it up, and you could tell that that's what it was. Now, if you know anything about UFOs, you may have heard strange things associated with UFOs, like bending of light and missing time and things like that. So I guess it's possible that these drones may have affected the radio signal and slowed it down in the air before it got picked up by the vehicle's antenna. So that's something that could be going on here. So first of all, I'll play some of it. It goes for over 2 minutes. I'll play maybe about half of it, just at normal speed, and then I'll play the segment that I sort of copied out, and then I sped up, and you'll be able to tell what I mean. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'll just pause it there, get the idea. Okay, now here it is sped up about 4 times.
Well, you're not only in love with her, but she's your best.
If you make it awesome. If you make it to 10
she's actually my best friend, and we've been through a lot the last couple of years and everything.
Now, I did put a comment on the video, and I'll put a link to Suspect Sky's video in the description, but this was the comment that I put, so this is what I'm able to make out. You can hear in there, you're not only in love with her, but she's your best friend, and then thank you, and then awesome, and then if you make it to 10. Those are some of the things that I can make out in it. I'll just play it again one more time, and then that'll be it. Okay, thanks.
Well, you're not only in love with her, but she's your best.
If you make it to 10 awesome. If you make it to 10
she's actually my best friend, and we've been through a lot the last couple of years and everything.